What do you want?
Potato.
You want a potato?
Yeah.
Okay, well, first we have to go to school, and then in the car on the way to school, we get a potato.
No.
Uh-oh.
Potato.
I know you want a potato, but I don't have any potatoes here. We have to go buy one.
No.
You want all done?
No. Big.
You want berries?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you did.
More big. More. This.
You're welcome. You're talking a lot. You ready to go to school today? No. Go play with your friends. Do you like school? What else do you want to eat?
Burger.
What?
Yeah.
You want some Smokies?
Yeah.